Hello guys, it's Dark Kids Grounded Videos here, and today I'm gonna be watching Darren the Modified Engine. I'm gonna be reacting to Sodor Follow, Welcome to the Railway, Alex the Tank Engine. Oh, and go this. And let's react it to. What the heck? It's Diesel! Oh, he's helping Darren, my brother here. Oh. Go ahead! Go ahead, Diesel. Pull my brother up! Yeah. Hey. Yeah, what's going on with you? Whatever. Okay. See you later, Diesel. How confident.
Well, that was completely idiotic.
Oh.
Could have went better.
Wait. So Darren was bored now. So Diesel was helping James, helping Darren. So Diesel was helping Darren here. About I thought Diesel was a jerk. I mean, whatever it is.
Yeah, whatever. We just need to head back before any more chaos happens here.
No. He's going back. I don't hear my cuss again. Oh boy. It's kind of weird today. He's gonna go back again. A few minutes later. Oh. Is that the station? Not really. And she was stall.
What the?
Oh, okay. Who is that? Oh, that's Alex. Oh, wait a second. I just know who is over here.
What
Is
the?
that Alex?
Where am I?
Oh, it's Alex.
And why is the sky red?
Wait a
Alex
minute.
didn't know.
Is that who I think it is?
David saw Alex. Here it is.
Hey, Alex. I didn't expect you to be here.
Oh.
Alex?
What's wrong with Alex?
Alex?
Oh my.
Hello?
What's going on?
Oh, sorry. I didn't see you there.
Oh.
Who are you, by the way?
My name is David.
Oh.
And I'm assuming your name is Alex.
Oh. Now, I hope you don't mind me asking this. Why is the sky red?
Oh my goodness, what's going on?
Why, did something happen when the sky turned red?
We don't know.
Well, I don't know what happened, but I was at the station talking to my driver about what would happen if the nuclear power plant had something bad in it. And as soon as we said that nothing was going to happen,
oh my god!
It exploded.
Why is the sky red? Okay, wait here. Wait, and why is Alex is asking that thing whether the sky happened to sky red, and he was and he remembered what happened last time. The sky was red again.
And a lot of bad stuff happened when the sky
Oh.
after the explosion. But for now, let's not talk about it. We need to leave because this
He doesn't
place
want
is
to talk about
bad. And it was nice to meet you, Alex.
It's nice to meet you too.
Wow. To be continued. Wow, that was a nice story. I hope you guys like and subscribe. And subscribe to Damon. And me.
And Alex.
And Alex.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.